Everybody, this is OneManOneCamera. Today we're down here at Fashion Show. It's actually really a mall, but they call it Fashion Show. I guess because being called a mall is way too pedestrian. Let's take a walk through and see what's going on. Oh, it is Saturday the 26th, I believe. 106 degrees, about 7:15 in the PM. All right, let's go inside and see what we can see. Was there interest down here? Yes, there is. I haven't been to this mall for a good while. And it's cool on the inside too. Obviously it's cooler. So we just entered near the Starbucks over here, and let's see what's going on inside the place. I'm not sure if we walk the whole mall, whether security give me the evil eye, so we shall see. Say busting the first 100 meters. That would be funny, huh? So we're running with the shadows of... It's not extremely cool in here, but it's cool. For the ladies, there's Ann Taylor. Oh, I just ran into Jacob's Life in Vegas. He was doing a live stream. I said hello. So, hey, cool cat. I enjoy his work. Always enjoyed his work. Okay, so here's Macy's way over there. So it is 7 p.m. and I don't know how busy they've been or how dead they've been since, you know, the grand old virus. Huh? I don't know. But there must be, huh. Hey. Glam your Vegas. Glam is a good word for you. I'll tell you a story, as always. When I was in Tokyo way back when, Prince, you know, his real badness, had a club, and this is what the story was. It was called Glam Slam. Wait, which way are we gonna go? I wanna go, I guess we'll go this way. Called Glam Slam. So one night a bunch of us, the same company, went over there, went down there. It's like in Yokohama. It was packed, wall of people, everything's looking good. And a fight broke out between these two Japanese guys, right? They were swinging, you know, swing and a miss, strike three, swing and a miss, swing and a miss. And so, oh, everything is closed. Geez, 7 o'clock. So anyway, so, you know, and this girl, I guess one of the boyfriends goes in, and she says, oh, stop. Yamate. And stop. She goes and says, stop. Somebody pushes her, and she falls right on her bottom. Boom. And then security came and broke it up. I thought it was interesting though, because when the fight started, everyone made a circle, you know, all the locals, and we're cheering, yeah, go. So that was my introduction into Japanese nightlife at the club scene. I think it was the first club I went to. Grand Slam? I think it was Glam Slam. Yokohama. Wait, this place is closing down. Oh, crap. 7 p.m.? Well, you know, I guess the shopping is slow, but I didn't expect 7 p.m. Holy cow. Oh man, you guys. Apologies. Oh well, hey. Real estate, as long as we're here. Here is a 4 to 5 bedroom, 2 and a bath, 390. Condo, 2 and a half. Here's one with dual master suites, 636,500. Here's one, 345,000. 720. So anyway, once again I apologize, guys. I didn't know this place shut down at 7 p.m. I had no idea. Because today I was supposed to go to the Raider Stadium, but I was lazy, got up late, you know, fooled around the house a little bit, blah, blah, blah. And then when I got ready to go, I came outside, and the wind was like 16 miles per hour, and I just, you know, don't really do those bike rides in the heavy-duty wind. So I thought, well, I'll just, you know, wait a little while longer and then come out here. So went to another different mall first, a little shopping, and then came down here. But I didn't know it was like 7 p.m. and it's closing up. So hey, sorry for the Dullsville. Anyway, it's a place called Fashion Show. All right. You say, well, why they call it Fashion Show? Well, they have fashion shows here sometimes, yeah. And I believe this little patch right here is the runway, which is in front of Lego, Godiva, Grimaldi's, the Walking Company, and of course, the Apple Store, you see? And here is the runway, right? On the catwalk, yeah. Do a little turn on the catwalk. So, this mall has high-end upper-end stores, high-end stores, sports shop, Dick's Sporting Goods, Janie and Jack, Johnny Rockets Chipotle. Now this California Pizza Kitchen, I've been here and I tried their tomato soup. Delicious, okay? Extremely delicious. I was surprised. It was one of those things where you take a bite or a spoonful, then you stop and go, whoa, unexpected and delicious, okay? Well, we go up. Yeah, it's 7 p.m. on Saturday night. The mall is closed. Huh. And there's lids. Get your hats. Clark's shoes. Good quality. Dillard's, Vans, Dick's Sporting Goods. Nordstrom's. I used to go to the Nordstrom's rack years ago, get those discounts on fashionable items. All right, so, and this is the top view of the runway, the fashion show. I don't want to tell stories again. So Nordstrom, so long time with this girl, always meeting a girl, right? I met a girl at Nordstrom's. She was cute, right? And she was returning a handbag. And back then, I think it was like a $500 handbag, whatever. I guess she had used it and returned it. So, you know, me, smarty pants, hey baby, how you doing? Blah, 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 blah. You know, I didn't really get anywhere. Oh, here's the Raider Image. Here's the Raider Image shop. It's already closed. And it is located on the second floor across from the Apple Store. Apple Store is on the first level. And so upstairs is the Raider Image store. And it says that you can take additional 20% off clearance items. Whoa, get back to the store. Anyway, me and the girl, we never really, you know, got along like romantic stuff, but we were kind of friendly, so I would always visit her and her grandmother whenever I returned to California on holiday. You know, she was nice, you know, but she was those crazy chicks. Oh, man. And her how shall I put it, underworld boyfriend connections. So, had to leave her alone. Saks Fifth Avenue. Sorry, I shouldn't swing around so much. There's a Karma Luck. Whoops. There's Karma Luck. There's one inside of the Miracle Mile shops area. And here is Kappa Toys for the little ones. And these, this is like I think Betty Boop stuff maybe? Or Phyllis the Cat, those cats, I think. Oh well. So Kappa, I think, is a mythical turtle type thing from Japanese folklore, I think. It has like a bald head, or the top is bald and like a little hair or something sticking out on the sides. Anyway. Okay. Let's see. All right, this is gonna be a short tour. of the mall. Oh, we were on the 3rd level. Sorry, that was the 3rd level, you guys, not 2nd level, 3rd level. Pardon me. As you can see, everything's gone. Oh, Kaidandale. All right, here we go. And they have free Wi-Fi here, which I didn't know. And special offer, Wi-Fi offers. Oh, dang it. Oh, okay. Nahoku is a Japanese jeweler. All right. All right. Crocs. Oh, Crocs. People would get razzed for wearing Crocs, but apparently they're very, very comfortable. Very comfortable. Okay, let's see. All the lovely colors.